Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute. Actually, so long that we're in the new year. So happy 2020. Hope everyone's having a great year so far. So I did a New Year's Eve look and it got a lot of great feedback. So I figured I would do a tutorial for this look. Wait, not this look. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. I don't give up. So what we're gonna do first is ignore this giant pimple on my face. Love that. Then we're gonna go in with primer for the eyes and primer for the face, and we're gonna prime our whole canvas. Then you're gonna go in with concealer. Today I will be using the James Charles palette. We'll just be taking, oh, I'm so bad at this. So I'll be taking the neutral shade, like the very neutral shade, and just packing that onto my lid to set the concealer. For my neutral shade, I will be going in with this color, this light brown. Almost to the point where you barely even notice it. Now with the same brush, I'm gonna go in with this pinky brown and do the same motion. Getting my crease darker. I'm gonna change because I'm sweating. 1 second. To change, I was boiling. So after you make that crease darker, I go in with this and I do the darker version of that color, which is right here. I can't see nothing. And then you're gonna do that in the corner and drag it to the crease. Now after doing that, you're gonna take that pink color again and you're gonna blend it again. You're gonna blend it with the dark color. And then you're gonna take the light brown and blend that. It's just one big blending fest. So once again, I only use 3 colors. I use this near my brow bone, this in the crease, and then this in my outer corner into my crease. And then I blended all 3. So boom, boom, boom. Now we're gonna cut the crease. Lord help me. Now I'm going to apply NYX glitter primer right where I cut my crease. So all over this area. Now I'm going in with NYX face and body glitter. Once the glitter is set, I'm gonna go in with the NYX liquid eyeliner. Remember, you can create it as thin or as thick as you want. This is just how I like to do it. Want that baby thick, shot it thick. So I'm gonna go in with eyeliner for my waterline. I'm gonna go in with this brush that I used for the very dark pink, and I'm gonna do the lighter pink in my waterline, very thin. So after I go in with the light pink, now I'm going in with the dark pink for the outer corner. And now I'm even gonna take a hint of the dark brown and do that in the outer corner. Very lightly. Go in with the darker pink and blend it out. So we're gonna go in with foundation. Now we're gonna take setting powder. And now we're gonna conceal, conceal, conceal. So I take the same concealer that I've been using since the beginning, honey. So highlighting is under the eyes, nose, middle of the forehead, chin, and this part. And then take Beauty Blend and blend that shit. But I typically take a nude highlight, like one, not the shimmery one of these two, to initially set my concealer. So I use the Park Ave Princess bronzer from Tarte. It's very nice. I love it. With an angled fluffy brush. Tap, tap, tap. Hold it very lightly. Just do upward motions towards the cheekbone and hairline. And now I'm going to bake. While that's setting, I will typically do my eyebrows. And now I can actually do highlight of the brow bone and the inner corner of my eye.
Oh, I got that on there.
I'm gonna, with a clean brush, wipe the excess away. Then I'm gonna go in with Revolution blush. I took the glitter, don't prime it, it will stick. And you just brush it on. So a little glitter just to make it more festive. And then I'm gonna add my mascara and lips and we shall be done. I'll be back in a jiff. Voila, that's final look for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry I'm not as active. I'm not in school anymore and this isn't for a class, so it's kind of hard to me to like keep the momentum of posting so much because I'm switching between school and home and school and home. So comment down below if you guys want any requests, like how to contour, how to bake, how to do anything. Someone requested this video. It felt really good and I love doing it. So make sure to comment, like, share, subscribe, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye!